Alright people, it's vlog 2, day 2. I just got these fresh glasses, and it's not wood, it's plastic painted wood, so it's a rip-off. But we just got to the beach. We drove all the way to, I guess, Cocoa Beach. And that's it, yeah. My grandparents are gonna get here soon, so we're just waiting for them, and then we're gonna leave to meet the rest of our family. But it's a beach. My new phone's getting everything because it's great. Oh, it is moving. So we found one earlier, but it's dead. So it doesn't matter.
Man.
Oh, there it is. It's moving.
The beach people know what it is.
That is cool.
I'm gonna pop it. Love the internet. I'm going to be popping a Man of War. As we have here. We have the Man of War jellyfish. It's very lethal, so don't touch the tentacles. I'm gonna be popping.
So I think they cleaned
Or bring it close.
like 2 weeks before Zachary Allen was supposed to go.
It's a balloon.
No, don't push me.
It's not gonna.
Hey, look. It's bending upward. It's gonna get you.
It's bending upwards because I'm stabbing it.
I know, but
He
then
doesn't care about other things. Caleb, he's gonna bite you, dude.
Alright.
Oh, that's right.
This Man of War jellyfish, lethal jellyfish, is impoppable, as you can see.
Monday, he said they're coming down tonight.
Yo, I escaped.
She said they'll get to the house around 8.
Okay.
We have to be at the airport. Dad has to be at the airport. Dad is stupid. They got 2 cars.
Yeah.
But they're just gonna
As you can see, I popped it. Don't listen to me. 3 hours at the beach. We just left, and we're gonna get lunch.
Oh, yeah.
It's over.
Can I have cheese with it? Lettuce and spinach. Nope. Look at that. Steak and cheese.